New powertrain choices. Customers wanted a choice of more power and torque for towing heavy loads and extreme off-roading, so the team added Ford's proven 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel and developed it for the Ranger. It is one of 3 turbo diesel engine options available at launch. 1. The 3.0-liter turbo diesel V6 delivers, said Prithika Maharaj, Ranger Program Manager. When you drive a Ranger with the V6 turbo diesel, it feels like a much bigger truck. And it feels really tough in the sense that it's got endless power and torque, which is exactly what our customers wanted. The next-gen Ranger will also come with a choice of proven single-turbo and biturbo 2.0-liter inline 4-cylinder diesels. The single-turbo comes in 2 different performance levels and delivers power, torque and fuel economy, one which is important to small business owners or commercial vehicle fleets. The biturbo engine is a more sophisticated, performance variant for customers who want more power but need to maintain fuel economy. 1. We know our customers push their Rangers to the extreme, so that's how we test them. We go the extra mile to make sure Ranger will do everything our customers want, over and over again. Customer-focused interior features. Customers wanted a flexible, modern cockpit that caters to both work and family duties. So, Ranger needs to serve as both a workspace and a haven, providing smart and connected features with more comfort and storage options than ever before. We know our customers are looking for a smart and functional interior space that feels comfortable. So, we set about designing it with a high level of well-integrated technology, clever functional storage and visual cues so the environment feels comfortable and spacious, Tran said. The heart of the Ranger's connective experience is the large 10.1-inch or 12-inch touchscreen in the center stack. It complements the fully digital instrument panel and is loaded with Ford's latest SWN-C4 system, which comes customer-ready with its voice-activated communications, entertainment and information systems. Additionally, there's an embedded factory-fitted FordPass Connect modem, for allowing connectivity on the go when linked with the FordPass trademark app, 5 so customers can stay connected to their world. FordPass enhances the ownership experience with features like remote start, 6 vehicle status, and remote lock and unlock functions via a mobile device.